Hey, welcome. This is Dr. Matt Bergman. Mundo is a great AI tool to teach students how exactly to use AI in the classroom in a safe place. What I love about this tool here is that when you look at its privacy policy, it does not collect any information from students. So, you don't have to have an email address, a phone number, anything. And it's a great safe space to really concentrate on harnessing those digital citizenship skills. So this is the chat bot right here that you can use. And let's say, for instance, I want to say, what is the difference between a numerator and a denominator? Well, Mundo is going to go ahead and give me a response. Now, it does take a little bit of time compared to other types of tools, but you can see right here that it does provide that. If I ask it to, say, for instance, translate to Spanish, it will do that as well. So this is a really nice tool that you can use to simplify information, help students learn different things, and also even translate and offer some additional supports. So if I were to say, for instance, can you give me a sample problem adding fractions? Let's see what happens here. What it'll do is it'll give me a sample problem here in just a moment of adding different fractions. Now, the other thing that I came across right here is this is a very simple tool. So you're not necessarily going to get, say, for instance, a video for adding fractions like you might in other platforms, but that is okay. So for example, if I say, can you share a video about fractions? Watch what its response is. So this is one of the limitations right here of this particular tool, but what it can say is that it'll give you some suggested ways of doing that. Now there are other things that you can do with Mundo as well, such as for time management. You can help do that. It can help you brainstorm different activities. It could come up with some different problems. It could take a word problem that you give it and change the name and the context, but keep the numbers. So there's a lot of different ways that you could do this, but this is a really useful tool that you can get from the Digital Institute to help give students that practice that they need in order to use generative AI successfully.